Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'm going to talk about IFB front load washing machine Senator WSS, and it is 8 kg capacity. As you can see, it's silver in color and it's a front-loaded washing machine. We all know that front-loaded washing machines really look premium and they really wash off your clothes really nicely. The benefit of having a front-load washing machine is they use less water and they use less electricity. Now this one has a fully touchscreen panel wherein you can choose between start, your spin speed, you can set the temperature. You have options and then you can select these various modes. Now it's very easy to use washing machine. As you all know, this is the front glass door that you have to open and then you can put all your clothes inside. Because it's 8 kg capacity, it is good for a family of 4 to 6 people. Then you can easily wash your clothes at one point of time. Now here, once I close the door, then you can choose between different modes. Like if you are washing your synthetic clothes, whether they are anti-allergens, whether you're washing your woolens, or you have mixed your daily clothes, whether it is cotton, whether you're washing baby clothes, you want power steam or you want cotton eco plus. So everything, all the different modes you can choose and you can do various settings on your own. Now there is a 4-year super warranty and there is also a 10-year spare support you get from the brand. You also get this water inlet pipe and there is also water outlet pipe, plus you get this this safety card wherein all the instructions are given, like what is the checklist. Before you put your clothes into washing, you must check the pocket of your pants and shirts, plus how to do the cleaning and maintenance. Now once the washing is done with a damp cloth, you can not only clean the machine from the outside but also from the inside. On this side, you can see this area is to put your detergent. So whether you want to add any softener, any stain remover, everything you can add along with the detergent. So all in all, it's a great washing machine. It's front load, you get warranty from the brand, you get all the necessary paperwork that's required, the warranty card, the water inlet pipe. Plus it's very easy to use, very simple to use, and it is water and electricity efficient. This was it about IFB Senator WSS 8 kg front load washing machine. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more videos.